welcome to Origami with Miss Cynthia. I would like to invite you to our in-person origami program. Head on over to our website to view the next session on our program calendar. And today I will show you how to create these cute little gift bags. Now let's get started. The supplies you will need are one 12 by 12 sheet of paper, tape, scissors, ruler, and optional decorative tape. Alright guys, so once you selected your sheet of paper, now remember, today I am working with a sheet of paper that measures a 12 by 12. Okay, normally we're using an 8.5 by 11, but today we're going to do a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. Now I'm working with a scrapbook piece of paper. You can also use construction or any other sheet of paper. What we're going to do first is go ahead and we're going to fold this into a triangle fold. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my ruler to help me crease, only because I'm working with a heavy paper. This is cardstock. Well, it's scrapbook paper, so it's a little bit heavier. So I'm just going to use my ruler to help me crease there. Go ahead and open it back up, and we're going to fold it the opposite way. So you have a middle crease here, and we want a crease going left and right. Let's go ahead and fold that down. Just like this. All right, we're gonna open it back up. And now we're going to fold it top to bottom. Just like this. All right, go ahead and open it back up, and we're gonna fold left to right. Okay, so go ahead and open it back up now, and I'm going to flip it over. If you have a two-side sheet that you're working with, you want to fold it, flip it over where your design's on the top, okay? So now you have all these different triangle shapes here. We're going to focus on one of them here. The one left and right to it will hide behind it, just like this. All right. And now we're just going to scoop this in because we want to parallel it. So this is going to be pushed in. So you have created little flaps here on the side, and you just press down so you end up with a triangle. Okay, I'm going to flip this triangle so the point of it is facing me. And I'm just going to go through it and just crease one more time. Okay. This bottom piece here, you're just going to fold it so the point is in the middle of this, just like this. Let's go ahead and crease. The more we fold, the thicker it'll get there for us. Okay, so now you have flap number one and then one behind it there. We're just going to focus on this very first layer. The right side, you're going to swing it over to the left, just like this, up until this little triangle here will be your guide. Okay, just up until this little triangle there. And we crease down. Okay, left side, same thing. You're going to use this little triangle here as a guide, and this edge here is going to align to that bottom triangle there. And we crease. Okay, and this one here, the last fold that we just did, you're going to bring this flap back over. Now this edge here will parallel here to this side here. And we crease. Okay, go ahead and flip the entire piece over, and we're going to do the same exact steps. Now you don't have a triangle here. If you want to bring this triangle to help you as a guide, you can. It's going to end up being the same size. So I actually use this as my guide. So our box ends up being fairly equal on both sides. We crease there. This side, we're going to hang it over here to the right. Let me fix this one real quick. My edge is coming out real quick. Let me just crease that real good. All right, and we crease. Now remember, this one, we're gonna swing it back over, so this edge will parallel to the edge here. And we crease again. Just like that. Okay, so now we're going to prop it up like this, and this triangle here that we fold inward, you're just gonna pop it out like this. Now go ahead and hold your soon-to-be box. Just put your fingers here and hold it together. If you're working with cardstock, this works perfect because it just kind of just pops out. If you're working with paper, it's a little bit fragile, so you want to be able to be careful so you don't rip up your box. Go ahead and just, you know, put your fingers in here, and what you're going to do is just press this down. So use the table as support and press it down. Voila! There's your box. Okay, so now these little guys here, we want to hide away. You could either tuck them in here, in this little pocket here, or if you want to just crease them along the edge, and you can glue them down inside. I'm going to use tape. It's a little bit faster. And you just want to tape that into place. So we're going to fold the other side. And again, you can either tuck them in here, hide them away. If you do tuck them, this might be just a little bit longer. Let me show you. So if we tuck this in, it might be too long for it and it's going to bunch up in there. So what you want to do is bring this edge and fold it into a little triangle like this, so you can easily tuck it in and hide that away. And then you would, you know, glue the two edges there. I'm going to go ahead and just bring it over the box and tape that down. Oops, I don't want that there. Okay, hold on. Let me flip it this way. Okay, here is our box. That was the bottom part of it. And now you can add whatever you like in here. I will treat my coworkers to some good treats. And you can give these out now that school's back in session. What a great idea is this to welcome our teachers back, our students back, all of the faculty back, anyone special, just to give them a thanks. And you know, you have your cafeteria crew, your bus drivers, your custodial. There's so many different people you can give these to now that the schools are back in session. If you're homeschooling, there's also, you know, your parents you can give this to, siblings, your librarians. There's so many people that we need to be thankful and grateful for. So this is just a cute little treat box I wanted to show you guys. Now, to close this up, you'll just pinch these together like this. There's many different ways you can do this closure. You can punch a hole here and do a little ribbon. I will use some of this decorative tape. It's also known as washi tape for my crafters out there. And I'm just going to bring this over after I put some cute little treats in there, goodies, and just bring this tape and close it up. You can add a little tag with their names or just a thank you. And here you go, guys. Here is your origami gift box. I hope you have enjoyed this fold. Check out a few of our origami books, and don't forget to check out our website for our most current library hours. See you next time. Bye.